Hello viewers, and welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped in finding the derivative of cosec x, which is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, follow our Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok. In order to find the derivative of cosec x, we are going to using first principle, method. The first principle method is telling us that d over dx of the function of x, which is cosec, is equals to limit as the angle approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So we are going to have the limit as h approaches 0. Our f is what? Cosec x plus h minus cosec x all over h. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Cosec is what? 1 over sine x plus h minus 1 over sine x all over h. Are you seeing something here? We are having a fraction within a fraction. So we are going to get rid of it. So when you are having a fraction within a fraction, you are going to have 1 over h all over the LCM of the first word fraction. So it's going to be, LCM is sine x plus h sine x. So we are going to divide sine x plus h sine x divided by this one. This one we cancel out. We have sine x times 1 is what? Sine x minus this one into this one we cancel out. We have minus sine x plus h. So that the limit as h approaches 0 will be what? 1 times this whole thing is what? Sine x minus sine x plus h all over h. H times this is what? H sine x plus h sine x. So we are going to continue from here. We are going to have limit as h approaches 0 of sine x minus sine. Remember that sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Applying it here, it will be sine x cos h plus cos x sine h all over h sine x plus h sine x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. We can factorize. These things are common. We have sine x bracket 1 minus cos h plus cos. Okay, let's not factorize now. Just we have sine x. This thing opening this bracket is what? Minus sine, because this thing is just like a bracket here. We have minus sine x cos h minus cos x sine h all over h sine x plus h sine x. So we can factorize. Limit as h approaches 0. X is common there. We have 1 minus cos h minus cos x sine h all over h sine x plus h sine x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. We are going to have 1 minus cos h over h multiplying sine over sine x plus You know that this thing is still the same thing. If you multiply this thing, you are still going to get back this. If you multiply, why did I remove my x? Cx here. Cx. So x is there. So that's multiply, get back, multiply, get back. So x is there. So we are going to have minus. Remember to always put your limit. Limit as h approaches 0, cos x sine h all over h. Or should I do it the other way I did this one? Okay. Okay, I'm still going to do it. Sine x plus h sine x. I still do that. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. The cos of an angle minus 1 over the angle as the angle is approaching 0 is what? 0. So we have 0 times, this one can cancel out. We have 1 over sine. Remember, the h is approaching 0. So if you put 0 here, you are going to have x plus 0 is what? 0. Sine times x is what? Sine x. So minus, we have sine h all over h multiplying cos x all over sine x plus h sine x. So we have limits as h approaches 0. This whole thing is 0 times this is what? 0. So we're going to leave it. We have, okay, let's just put it. We have 0 minus sine of an angle by the angle as the angle is approaching 0. Wow. Remember to always put your limits. H approaches 0 is what? 1. So we have minus 1. So we have cos x all over. As this thing is approaching 0, we have x plus 0, which is x. Sine times x is what? Sine x. So sine x times sine x is what? Sine squared x. So we are going to have 0. Let me continue from here. We're going to have, let's just throw away this 0. We're going to have minus 1. Can I write this cos x over sine squared x as 1? You know that this thing is times, so minus 1 times. Can I write it as 1 over sine x times cos x over sine x? Because when you multiply both the denominator and numerator, you're going to get what? This value. So you're having minus 1. 1 over sine x is what? 1 over sine is cosec. Minus 1 times cosec x times cos x over sine x is what? Cot x. So we are going to have minus 1 times this is what? Minus cosec x cot x. So that's the derivative of what? Cosec. So therefore, we can come here and write the f prime of x is equals to minus cosec x cot x. Proved. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you. In our next video, we are going to find the derivative of what? Sec x.